Sports, arts, gaming, friends, sports, best friend, family, hockey, video games,
acceptance,
gymnastics, family, trust, support, dance, family. I belong in soccer. It's my life. I feel like I belong playing video games because I really enjoy it and it strengthens my connection with my friends. I feel like I belong in drawing because drawing is something that calms me down when the days are tough. I feel like I belong in video games because every weekend I game all day. I feel like I'm safe with my friends because I feel belong with my friends. With my friends. With my friends. With my friends.
I feel like I belong with my friends because we all have really similar personalities. That makes us get along really well.
I feel like I belong because I like to play and watch with encouraging people. I feel like I belong with my best friend because he understands me and we always have the same ideas whenever we play together. I feel like I belong with my family because we're always there for each other. I feel like I belong when I'm playing hockey because I love to play it and watch it. I feel like I belong when I play video games with my family or my friends.
Even though I'm a bit annoying, my friends will still accept me and their friends.
I feel like I belong when I do gymnastics. I belong with my dog and family. I feel safe with them. I feel safe with them. I feel safe with them.
I feel awesome around people I trust.
My friends support me when I need them the most.
It makes me belong with everyone who loves this sport.
I always feel like I belong with my family because we share some of the same interests. Courage. Sports.
Acceptance.
Confidence.
Acceptance.
Friendship.
Hope.
Citizenship.
Respect. Important. Respect.
Brave.
Believe. The courage to stand up for a friend. When I was on my soccer team, I felt really important and felt like I had my place.
In my opinion, I don't feel accepted the way I am physically, and
To accept others the way they are.
belonging makes me feel confident. Have feeling and trust and belong with.
Following the rules, and please wear your mask or else you're going to take detention.
Never give up on your hopes and dreams.
Respect people to be respected.
It's important to be yourself.
Never disrespect someone even if you don't like them.
I feel brave when I'm with my friend groups.
Believe in yourself no matter what others say.